Welcome to Onubrasia Kitchen. I trust all is well. Today we're making two simple salad dressing. Thank you. So we're going through our ingredients. White vinegar, honey, olive oil, basil, oregano, my salt, rosemary, dry, and black peppers. There's a lot of it. Tiani amanini. Chop our basil. Pieces. Yeah, akaka mesa. Kitchen. Alright. Okay. So basil nini. That's the basil. Add in the oil. This is half a cup, so I'm gonna add one more. Okay, so the same cup. Use the white vinegar. White vinegar new. Half a cup new. Okay. Rosemary. Okay. Oregano. A little bit salt to your taste too. You tasted and it's not enough. Black pepper. Okay. Okay. So here we are. Simple. Finito. It smells. And guys, I want to introduce you to this amazing hair and body product.
So the name of the company is Zend Hair Face Body. It's an online Etsy shop and we sell organic hair oil, hair mist, and body butters. And the link for the Etsy shop, it's Zen Co. It just means Zen Company.
Maple syrup. virgin olive oil. Adding one more, so 3 tablespoons. Okay. A little bit of saute. Should we add black pepper or not? We'll leave this one plain. You can add black pepper to the salad. Ain't guacamole be cayenne, lemon. It's a lemon. We squeeze the lemon in here. And there you're simple. Say sorry. Now you can do salad. See, navy. Okay, so your bed then you be shaking. Shaky, unbelievable. Decorating here. The photo, yay. Same one. Avian. 9 and 10. So now there's a freezing. The aroma is not a joke. Wait in here. Okay. I'm gonna leave a little bit in. So we are done. Yeah. We all salad that. Now if you are the gusuboko. You'll be any asem. Yes. Won't you be happy to enjoy your own homemade vinaigrette or salad dressing? Please try. Thanks for watching. Finito. Yeah, salad dressing and now fantafobic and then vinaigrette. Yes, we are done with our salad dressing or our vinaigrette. Look at that. Look. Thanks for watching. And please don't leave without a thumbs up for your sister. Love you. Bye.